All right, what is up, guys? Today I have the M135i, and people have mixed reviews about this car, but we're gonna look at everything that BMW changed about this car, and then you can decide in the comments if this is actually the better upgrade or not, or if you still prefer the older M135. This is not an I anymore. They removed the I. So if you go to the back, you can see that this is no longer an I. Apparently, I'm told that is to accommodate like the new electric vehicles, because this at some point will have to move to be electric. So I think they are preparing for that. Let's just look at the outside and then we'll get into the inside and see what's up. So from the outside, most of the stuff that changed, I feel like it's more on the front and less at the back. But on the front, you have these cool lights over here. They are matrix, well, I call every lights matrix LEDs, but these are smart lights. If I turn them on for you, you can tell that they go up and down, they move left to right, and those are they call them BMW LED lights, which I think they are cool. And then you have this blue accent on the side, which I think is also proper. And with regards to the grille, and now you have this cool kidney grille, you still have those iron bars on the front. I love when people make those glow in the dark, so that's pretty cool. Your park distance controls right there, and driver's assistance right there. I love the blue accents on the side. So moving on to the sides, you have your 19-inch alloys. Obviously, you have to have M over there. Your brake calipers are also blue with an M logo, and you also have your M badging over there. Mirrors have cameras, so that's means you do have 360-degree view and also blind spot detection. So if I open this door, you would notice that on the ground you have a logo, M logo right there. I think it's a cool touch. The door handles as well have lights so that you can know that you're opening the door. Let me switch off those lights. Continue moving to the sides. Also in the back, you have 19-inch alloys, still have brake calipers, pretty cool rims. I think they fit this car pretty well. And now at the back, taillights look really cool, so let me just make those shine, and then you can see how they look from the back when they are indicating. I really love the way they implemented that. That's pretty cool. M135 badging right there. And obviously something that is beautiful to marvel at is the quad tailpipes on the back. These look really proper, and obviously it's BMW, they would look proper. And yeah, that's mostly the back. The spoiler is one with the boot, so when you open the boot, the spoiler will also open. That's pretty cool. And looking at it from the side, oh man, the back looks very beautiful. The back looks very beautiful. You also have the one over here to represent that it's a 1 series. But I forgot to mention that the M1 now actually comes with these cool door mirrors. They used to not come with it before, but now they're there. Let's take a look at the back and on the side. Yeah, that's mostly it of what you get on the outside. I think on the side as well, it glows on the floor, so both sides, the M logo glows on the floor. You also have your sunroof, pretty standard, pretty cool. And let's get into the inside. Well, before we get into the inside, let's check out the back. Electric tailgate, obviously you have your parking camera right there. So that's the boot. You do have your electric tailgate, which just closes automatically. Pretty cool. Let's get into the inside. So let me show you the other part on the other end. Yeah, M logo right there, you can see it. I mean, this car looks pretty cool, man. So if we talk about power for a bit, this produces 233 kilowatts and 400 newton meters of torque, which is amazing. Obviously it's less than the Golf R. That'll be the first time VW people will be happy about those figures. But apart from that, that's what it produces. It's a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Pretty fast. 233 kilowatts is no joke. Maybe at some point I will come and do a a test drive because they said they don't have the M135 currently. It will be back on Monday, so I'll try come back and see if I can do a test drive. But getting into the inside, there's plenty to love about this car. You have your M logo right there, Harman and Kardon stereo sound system, which I believe is amazing. Your door handles right there, you have your speaker right there, your controls over here. This car sits pretty low to the ground, which I noticed is lower than even my Polo, so it feels very sporty when you're inside this car. The seats are, you have memory seats over here, so you can set your memory seats and also recline them if you need to. And that is pretty cool, so you can move them forward. You also have lumbar support over here and back support. I think you can't pick it up on camera, but that middle part is moving. And these are suede and leather, and at the back you can see that it's shining M right there, which is very, very cool. So getting into the inside, let me just put myself in the correct position. The seats are electric. I feel like that's where I would, yeah, I feel like this is where I would sit. In a moment I'll just go behind and see if I can fit in that while I'm on my driver's position. And inside here you have a lot of glows. This is glowing, this right here is glowing, that right there is glowing. So basically your ambient light is present in the car. I don't see anything else glowing on the sides. But yeah, this steering feels like it's heated, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it feels like it's heated. You don't have any M button on the steering wheel. You do have your gear selectors and stuff around there, and then this is your infotainment, which can control everything in the car, including climate controls. You have your media, telephone. Seems very responsive. I really like it. And then down here you have storage up there. I don't know what storage is for. This is for your wireless charger. You have your cup holders right there, 2 USB ports. And then they've done away with the old gear selector. Now you have this gear selector, which I don't know, it's not as satisfactory, but it's there. You're parking, and these are your hazards, or in South Africa, your thank you lights. I love them that they are right here. Storage is not that bad actually. You can store your stuff over there, and that's mostly on the side of the driver. The mirrors are big and nice. And this screen, this is now like standard across all BMWs. You have your heads up display right there. So let's get in the back and see if I fit from the back. Sits very, very low to the ground. So remember, that was my driving position. And if I do get in the back, but the space is okay. But at the back you get your air vents, you get your 2 USB ports. There is a hump on the floor for anyone who's going to be sitting in the middle, but I think you do have your cup holders, which is a plus for me. Yeah, the back feels, let me close this. The back feels it feels squishy, but there's still space at the back. And the car sits very low to the ground and it's like compact, so this is what you have to do. But I do believe there is more space in the Golf R compared to this car. And yeah, these seats are very, very big. These seats are very, 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 very big, and they are premium as well. There's no space to put your stuff over here, but you do have your holders over here, which is cool. And yeah, that's mostly it about this car, really. A lot of stuff that BMW changed with this, which I think is cool. And that was your first look around the M135. I might drive this car if you guys would allow me to and make a video on that, but tell me honestly, what do you think about this car? Me personally, I think it's very compact, and with that, it's trading off the space in the inside, which is for me an important factor. Some people don't care that there isn't enough space on the inside, but the Golf R or the Golf GTI has plenty space inside compared to this car. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you would pick this or if you would pick the Golf R. Anyway, that has been it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers. Your support will be appreciated. Until the next one, love and peace.